Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can recognize fake JBL. So we will have the example of both original and fake JBL. So this is the original and it has this tag above the box, and you can also find the logo here. While on the fake one we have also the tag above, but we don't have the logo here on the right corner. In general, on the original box we can find much more information than on the fake box. So you can see here from below and from the sides additional informations about the speaker, while here on the fake one even we don't have the logo on the speaker, and you can see from the sides we have much less informations than on the original box. When we open the original box we can find this logo as well as the protection layer from the above. We can find this soft cushion to protect the speaker. On the fake one we don't have nothing from above to protect the speaker. In the original one we have these additional adapters for powering the speaker and instruction manual, while on the fake one we only get the 3.5mm port as well as USB. And on the instruction manual you can see again we don't have the logo of the speaker. This is the look of original speaker, and if we compare it with the fake one they are pretty similar from above and from the front. But if we take a look at this original from the side and compare it with this fake one from the side, we clearly see a big difference between these two. When we power on the original we hear this sound, and the LED lights are straight and they are white color, while on the fake one when we power it we hear this sound which is similar, but we get this like error sound from Windows. And you can see the LED, they are glowing from below and they are some different color, they are not clear white color like on the original. From the back side of the original speaker we have this protection, and on the fake one it is similar, but clearly there are some difference. Here you have USB port, micro USB and aux port, while on the fake one it is aligned differently, and also you have the port for micro SD card. So that is how you can spot if your JBL have the port for micro SD card, then for sure it is the fake one. And you can see this one is really built good. When you close it, it will make sure that water will not go inside, because this one is waterproof as well. And now we can have some fun with this fake one. It is pretty bad with this option, as you can hear. Also I think this is for radio stations or maybe for micro SD cards, so it gives these errors. So let's turn it off and conclude this video. That will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this information useful, make sure to subscribe here and also take a look at some other videos on my channel. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.